Right now I'm writing the VIN number down, and I'm going to check to see if we have a numbers matching car. When looking at the VIN number, the 13 digits represent a host of information. The first digit represents the GM division. The second and third digit represent the model or series. The fourth and fifth digit represent the body style. And the sixth digit represents the year of manufacture. The seventh digit represents the assembly plant. And the important last 6 digits are the production numbers. These production numbers in a numbers matching car should match on the engine and transmission. As you can see, the production number is stamped in the block. It is also stamped in the transmission. So what we have here is an original numbers matching car. So, what have we learned? We've learned that the last 8 digits in the VIN number are stamped into the engine block and transmission, making this a numbers matching car. So please show your support by purchasing a t-shirt today. It enters you into the sweepstakes for the car. I hope you're enjoying the site. Thanks for watching. Later.